Hi, I'm Ian from Haste Kitchen, and today I'm with Well Duty Free. I'm going to be making a really nice twist on a cocktail. I'm going to be using some Edinburgh gin, and for this one we've chosen the rhubarb and ginger because I'm going to really put a nice twist on this cocktail. I'm going to be doing rhubarb and custard. So just into our mixer, I'm going to add 4 or 5 pieces of ice, and now this is just to chill the cocktail down. We're going to add equal parts on this, so 25 ml of our rhubarb and ginger gin, and 25 ml of our Avocat. Now for a sweetness element, we're going to add our agave, just literally 2 or 3 drops of that. It's perfect. On with our lid, and then give that a really good shake. Off with our lid, strainer on, we're just going to pour that into a nice glass. And then just to finish this off, we're going to use a little bit of dehydrated strawberry dust. See, there we go, that is my cocktail today using the Edinburgh gin, rhubarb and ginger flavour, making this beautiful rhubarb and custard cocktail.